Welcome to Jay's Techie Crown. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe. Come, let's get into the video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Australian travel restrictions and when Australia will open its international borders. Also, we are going to discuss about the number of invitations issued till October 2020 along with the ceiling values, and also we are going to discuss in detail about the forecasted invitation count for the year 2021. As you all know that due to this pandemic, the movement of PR holders into Australia has slowed down, and also the processing time of the visa applications has considerably increased. And also you can notice that the number of invites that is being issued after this pandemic has considerably reduced. This significant decrease in the number of invites is due to various factors, which includes international travel ban, unemployment rate, internal state lockdowns, and the saturation of the ceiling values for each skilled occupations. Before Feb 2020, it is possible for a person who is of IT stream to get an invite with 85 points under 189 visa. But after February 2020, the minimum points required for an IT person to get the invite is more than 95. And for 190 visa, it is of no chance for an offshore candidate as it is state sponsored, and most of the states prefer only the onshore candidates. So most people who have the score of 85 or less than 85 has moved towards 491 visa instead of waiting for a 190 or 189 visa. So come, let us see the total number of invitations issued till date. If you look here, you can see in the month of July 2020, almost 500 invitations has been issued for different skilled occupations under 189 visa. The minimum points considered for this invite is 90, and also the different skilled occupations considered are chemical, civil, electronics, telecommunication, and registered nurses. Also, you can find here the count of invites has considerably reduced from 500 in the month of July to 110 in August to less than 100 in the month of October. Whereas in case of a 491 visa, you can see the visa count has been fluctuating between 180 between July and October. This clearly shows that the invitation count gradually decreases from the month of July and getting to less than 100 in the month of October. So let's get into the detail of the occupation ceiling values for 2021 and the number of invitations issued till October 20 across each skilled occupation. Here you can find the detailed information about the occupation ceiling value and the number of invitations issued till October 2020 for every skill. On the left, you can see the occupation ID, which shows the ANZO skill code. For example, 2336 refers to mining engineers, where the ceiling value is 1K and the invitations issued till October 2020 is 20. And the maximum number of invitations issued is for the registered nurses, which is of 414 out of the ceiling value of 17,859. Also, you can find the list of other invitation counts across the ceiling values for different skill code, and the number of invitations issued are majorly for the medical practitioners as well as the laboratory scientists and for the registered nurses. This clearly shows that they are in much need of the frontline workers and they are releasing more invites for the frontline workers. Let us do a small comparative analysis for the invitation count between the year 2019 and 2020. If you look at the employer-sponsored visa, it is 30K in case of 2019, which is only 22K in case of 2020. Similarly, the 189 visa count has considerably reduced by 1/3 in the year 2020 when compared to 2019. And you can see the invite count for 190 and 491 has reduced from 25K to almost 11.2K in the year 2020. Overall, you can see the skill total has considerably reduced from 108K to 79K. Apart from the skilled visas, if you take a look at the other visas, which include partners, parents, family stream, and other family, special eligibility, and child visas, the count has considerably reduced except for the partner and family stream visas, where in case of partner visas and family stream, the count has increased because the number of people who are processing the partner and family stream has considerably increased, which gives the same count of 160K, both in 2019 and 2020. If the same trend continues, then the number of invitations will remain the same, which is less than 100 for most of the skilled occupations, and we can see the increase in numbers only when the international travel ban lifted. I wish a good luck for everyone in the PR process, and in case of any questions, please post your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this video helps you. Please subscribe and thanks again.